Today we'll cover 3 key topics to help you install and start up the RDS mitigation board: wiring, dip switch configuration, LED status, and startup procedure. Begin by mounting the RDS mitigation board within 48 inches of the coil sensor grommet. This reduces strain on the sensor cable and prevents moisture from seeping into the sensor. Remove the front cover by releasing the 4 locking tabs in each corner. On the left, black terminals connect the thermostat and condenser wires. On the right, blue terminals connect the furnace or air handler leads. Locate the sensor cable and plug it into the port labeled sensor number 1 for single sensor installations. Ensure the latch clicks securely and the cable is fully seated. Once all connections are made, secure the board to a stud or duct surface and leave a drip loop inside the coil to direct condensate into the drain pan and away from the sensor. The mitigation board includes 2 dip switches used to configure the sensor inputs. For a single sensor installation, the most common setup, switch number 1 should be off and switch number 2 should be on. If the system uses multiple sensors, both switches remain off to activate both channels. Always refer to page 12 of the RDS Installation and Operation Manual for switch reference. Once wired, power up the furnace with no call from the thermostat. The board is now powered on, but will not begin its startup sequence until you press the test button. Technicians should expect the blower motor to start when the system is energized. The startup test procedure is required for the mitigation board to function properly. Refer to page 15 of the Installation and Operation Manual. If the blower motor remains running after power up, the mitigation board has not been through the startup procedure. Quickly press and release the test button once. The LED should change from a flashing green to a flashing blue. This simulates a leak response and is normal. Press and release the test button again. The LED will turn solid green, indicating the RDS is monitoring and operational. The blower motor will shut off after approximately 3 minutes. Cycle the system using the thermostat to verify proper heating and cooling operation. With your RDS kit installed, wired, and tested, your system is ready for safe operation.